first job was in technical support. So I was doing technical support for 3 years, and then I somehow had this opportunity to become a flight attendant. That was with Air Asia. Right, so I switched to my career to be a flight attendant. Been flying for more than 6 years. Traveled around the world. Really enjoyed that job. But I couldn't. It was not a job that I wanted to do for the rest of my life. So after 6.5 years, I decided to go back to corporate, and I jumped into recruitment, kind of by accident. But you never know where your career will take you. So I jumped into recruitment, and then I've been doing it for about 2 years, and then another opportunity came, which is my current company, Psyche, right? So Psyche headhunted me and invited me to become a seller partnerships manager. So what I do with Psyche, basically, I manage strategic partnerships, collaborations with companies, and educational institutions like University Malaya and so on. I also do social media marketing, and we source for job seekers and also for freelancers who want to be freelance recruiters to help us with our recruitment. Okay, so that's about myself, and I'm sure you may be wondering what my company does. Yeah, what is Psyche? So Psyche is actually a job platform, but what's different about us compared to what's in the market? We are using artificial intelligence to match the job seekers to the jobs available on the platform. And how does that work? It's basically through keyword matching. So our resumes will have certain keywords that will match the job description posted by companies. All right. So whenever there's a higher match, that will create like a higher ranking. All right, where the companies can see that okay, this candidate has the most or the matching skills that's related to the job that we posted. Right. On the other hand, we also have our own patented mind match algorithm, which is more like an assessment tool. It's like a personality test where we match the job persona to the candidate's personality, right? So our platform is equipped to solve three problems that are faced by job seekers, which is the quality of the jobs, the speed, in terms of how fast the company gets back to you, and also the experience, which is how to build your personal brand. All right, so what is personal branding? So personal branding is the process of identifying yourself, building that, whatever that you're good at, and then amplifying it online and offline. All right, so it's basically about building your reputation, not just on social media, but also offline, people around you. You want to build that reputation of yours, so that people know who you are and what you're good at, right? And it is not measured by the number of followers you have on social media. It is not about how famous you are. So don't confuse the personal branding with your fame, all right? And it is not meant to target everyone or anyone. So everyone will have their own niche, okay? Everyone has a personal brand. So even though you have not done anything to promote your personal branding, you already have a personal brand. It's just a matter of whether you're amplifying it or not. So let's talk about the 5 steps on how to brand yourself. So the first step, you have to change your mindset, right? Because I'm sure that maybe before this you'll be thinking that social media is just for you to post pictures, it's just for you to have discussion and things like that. But there is actually more you can do on social media, and if you understand the power of social media, right? If you have no experience, doing this exercise will help you in finding out what exactly you want to do. Okay, and it doesn't mean that you whatever you've listed down, that's it. You actually can gain more skills, or maybe you can find new hobbies. All right, and how to do that? Start educating yourself by utilizing learning sources from YouTube, Udemy, LinkedIn Learning, and so on. There's so many free resources out there. So especially in a time like this, we're all under MCO. A lot of companies are giving their material for free, their courses for free. No harm for you to get on Instagram. It's no harm for you to get on Snapchat or TikTok. Okay, and some people think that these social media platforms are only for younger generation or the kids or things like that. Actually, not quite exactly. Some people are using Snapchat to some companies are using Snapchat to hire candidates. McDonald's is using Snapchat. They want people to record their video resume. TikTok also, it's a very good platform. It's not just about posting dancing videos. All right, because they know they are learning something for you. They see you as a valuable contributor. Yeah. So when you share your content, you're serving the people, all right? Okay, the last step is to engage with others. So after you've you start posting, you've shared your knowledge, your ideas, your content, and so on. Remember to engage with people. Yeah. So some people always forget this step. They post the video, they post their content, they post their article, and then they don't respond to people who comment on their whatever video or whatever articles that you post up. Okay, so engagement is very important. So just don't just focus on posting information. You must build a two-way communication. And then at the same time, you are encouraged to reach out to people in your niche. Okay, so let's say you're in the niche of, let's say IT is your niche, right? You're in information technology. So most likely you want to engage with people in the same niche in IT. So engage with those people, engage with the IT managers, or post your own article, or draft a post, or maybe take a picture and talk about it. It's all up to you, okay? That's how you create content. If you do not have time, but you're consuming other people's content, you're reading other people's content. So what you can do is also curate content. So you can pick someone else's content and then reshare it, but remember to talk something about it. Remember to give your own opinion about it, all right? And usually, I'm sure you will be curating content that you're interested in, and then you'll be resharing it to your network, all right? So that's another way to post content. And remember to be consistent. So again, this one, people are not really consistent. They post something today, then 3 months down the road, they forget about posting. So remember to post, whether it's daily or 3 times a week. Once a week also, I think it's fine, okay? Because I know some of you may be occupied with your other work, your university work, and so on. But the main thing is to be consistent. Type. You can still brand yourself online. There are even influencers who never show their face before. Yeah, I mean they use other ways, like maybe they draw cartoons or they use some sort of something else to represent themselves. Until today, people don't know who who the creator is, but they are popular, they're famous because of their how they brand themselves. Okay, I have a friend who is a YouTuber for 3 years. He posted videos frequently, okay, and it's about his online gameplay, his family and friends, vacation or trip, all right. However, he isn't a pro gamer. He's actively posting on Facebook, WhatsApp, Insta, but his views just doesn't increase. His editing skills did increase, however, no views. Any advice from him? Okay, so keep doing what he's doing, all right. Maybe he just need to adjust his style, his way. It's hard for me to judge or give advice or say what or tell him what he can improve on, but because it sounds like he's doing the right thing, right? He's posting, he's actively posting. If people are making money from gaming, they're posting themselves playing games and they're making money out of it. But in terms of your friend, I'm not sure what exactly he's not doing that that's helping him get views. But what I would suggest, seek advice from people who are already doing this. So those who are posting their online gameplay, network with them. So as I mentioned earlier, network with people in the same niche. He can do the same. Start looking for these people in the same niche. Even though they are very popular, doesn't mean that they won't respond to you. There are so many influencers that I reached out. Yeah, I messaged them, I DM them, I message them on Instagram, I message them on LinkedIn, Facebook. I asked them tips. How do you create this video? What did you do? What tools do you use? What app? Can you teach me how to increase views? You'll be very surprised. Sometimes they will reply to you. They're more than happy to reply to you because their fans are reaching out to them. So I would advise your friend to reach out to people in the same niche. It looks like it's online gameplay. So this is a very good industry now, especially now because of people staying at home. So more people are actually going online to play games. All right. So I wish your friend all the best. I hope he can learn something from the other people in the same niche. All right. Thank you. Bye, everyone.